Want to control what content is accessible on YouTube TV? Setting up parental controls and content restrictions ensures a safer viewing experience. In this guide, we'll show you how to filter content and manage access for different users. Step 1. Open YouTube TV settings. Keycap 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your device. Keycap 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Keycap 3. Select Settings and go to Parental Controls or Restricted Mode. Step 2. Enable Restricted Mode. Toggle Restricted Mode on to automatically filter out inappropriate content. This setting uses Google's filtering system to block videos flagged as mature. Step 3. Manage content for kids. For a more customized approach, white heavy checkmark create a separate supervised account for children. White heavy checkmark use YouTube Kids if you want a completely child-friendly experience. White heavy checkmark enable Google Family Link to monitor and limit screen time. Step 4. Block specific channels or shows. Navigate to the live guide or library. Find the show or channel you want to restrict. Select hide or block content. Availability may vary by device. Step 5. Lock restrictions with a PIN. If multiple people use the account, set up a PIN code to prevent changes to parental settings. You can enable this through Google Family Link or device settings. Bonus tip. To prevent unauthorized purchases, go to Settings and GT, Purchases and AMP, Memberships, and disable auto-renewal or require a password for transactions. Keep YouTube TV family-friendly with these restriction settings. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.